Now, as you can see on my screen, I have made over 12,000 US dollars in the previous 10 days. Okay, so you can see from March 1st to March 10th, and last month $42,000 in sales and 491 sales. And of course, I get some refunds. As you can see, $600 refund, and over here $167 refunds. Now, why I'm showing you this, as you can see, if I click here, right, I'm not a seller, I'm not a product owner, I'm not offer owner, I'm just a super affiliate. Okay, so I'm basically promoting ClickBank products as an affiliate using Google pay-per-click ads and Facebook ads. Now, in this case, with Google pay-per-click ads, I like to use Google because it's all about buyers' clicks. It's about buyers, audiences, and traffic. You see, if you want to have similar results in 2026, all you have to do is connect with someone one-on-one who can actually help you personally to set up those kind of campaigns. Because yes, it's still possible to make money online in 2026, and all you have to do is have the right type of audience, targeting details, the right type of quiz funnels, where we are pre-selling to the right type of audience, because we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, right? So it's really important what kind of audience you are targeting, what kind of language patterns you are using, so you have the right message to the market match. So that's important if you want to make at least $200 to $500 per day as a beginner in 2026. Now, if you want to connect with me one-on-one, there's my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, my email, and WhatsApp number in the description below under this video. But only reach out to me if you actually want results, if you are not excuse maker, if you're action taker, and you want to change your life and have some kind of results in 2026.